The question asked for decimal value of the signal, and this signal containing 7 bits. So the high value, of course, 1, and here 1, 2, 3, and here as well as 3 bits, right? So 3 bits, 3 bits, and 1 bit. So altogether is 7 bits for this signal. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1. So altogether 7 bits. So how it's look like the binary form is 1, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1, and 1, right? So here are 7 bits. Start with the, let's change the color. So here, of course, 1, afterward 2, then 4, then 8, 16, 32, and 64. So what we have to sum up? Of course 64 because of this 1. Of course 4 because of this 1. Of course 2 because of 1 and 1. So if we sum up these 4 numbers, we'll get the very important number for Bangladesh, that is 71. So this is the decimal value of the signal, right? Why we are not taking this 0? I mean, not 32, not 16, not 4, because this belongs to 0. That's why we are not sum up with our number. So we have to sum up the number 64, 4, 2, and 1. Then the final value for the decimal value is 71.